Pre, hindi mo nagkataka rito kung paano ito nailaw?
Hayaan mo na yan, maglaro na lang tayo.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Good day, everyone! I'm the leader of Group 4.
And I'm the leader of Group 8.
So our group merged together for this presentation. The content of this video is to explain and demonstrate the lighting of our 0 to 9 in our 7-segment decoder. So let's move on to our presentation.
For hexadecimal number 0, ang input value niya A is 0, B is 0, C is 0, D is 0. Ilagay po natin lahat ng input value niya. A for 0, B for 0, C for 0, D for 0. Try po natin siya pailawin. Ang magiging output niya is 0 sa 7-segment decoders. That's all for hexadecimal number 0.
For hexadecimal number 1, ang inputs niya ay A is 0, B is 0, C is 0, and D is 1. Ngayon, ilalagyan na natin yung inputs niya. A for 0, B for 0, and C is also 0. Last, D is for 1. Ngayon, titingnan natin kung ilaw siya. Makikita natin na umilaw siya dahil ang output niya sa 7 segments decoders is 1. And that's all for hexadecimal number 1.
So for hexadecimal number 2, ang input value niya is A for 0, B for 0, C is 1, and D is 0. So lalagay na po natin ang kanyang mga input. A is 0, B is 0, C is 1, and D is 0. Tatry po natin siyang pailawin. So, makikita po natin na 2 ang kanyang 7 segments decoder. So that's all for hexadecimal number 2.
So for hexadecimal number 3, the input value is A is 0, B is 0, C is 1, D is 1. So, lagay na natin. A is 0, B is 0, C is 1, D is 1. So, try natin. Ayan. So, makikita natin sa 7-segment decoder na 3 yung output niya. So, that's all for hexadecimal number 3.
So for hexadecimal number 4, ang input value niya is A is 0, B is 1, C is 0, D is 0. So ilalagay natin yung mga input. A is 0, B is 1, C is 0, D is 0. So, tatry natin pailawin. So, makikita natin na ang lumabas sa output ay number 4 kasi yun ang output niya sa 7-segment decoder. And that's all for hexadecimal number 4.
For hexadecimal number 5, the input value is A is 0, B is 1, C is 0, and D is 1. So, ilagay po natin yung mga input niya. So, A is 0. B is 1. And C is 0. And lastly, D is 1. So, try naman po natin siyang pailawin. So, ang output niya is 5 sa 7 segment decoders. And that's all for hexadecimal number 5.
So next, for hexadecimal number 6, the input values is A is 0, B is 1, C is 1, and lastly the D is 0. So lagay na po natin ang mga input, which is yung A is a 0, and yung B is a 1, and yung C is also sa 1, and lastly yung D is also in 0. So titingnan natin yung magiging output niya sa 7 segment decoders. So makikita natin na ang output niya sa 7 segment decoders is number 6. So that's all for hexadecimal number 6.
So for hexadecimal number 7, the input value is A is 0, B is 1, C is 1, and D is 1. So ilagay na natin A is 0, B is 1, C is 1, D is 1. So, tingnan natin. So, makikita natin sa 7 segment decoder na 7 yung output niya. And that's all for hexadecimal number 7.
For hexadecimal number 8, the input value is A is 1, B is 0, C is 0, and lastly, D is 0. So, try naman po natin ilagay yung mga input niya. So, A is 1, and B is 0, and C is 0, and D is 0. So, try naman po natin siyang pailawin. So, ang output po niya is 8 sa 7 segment decoders. That's all for hexadecimal number 8.
Lastly, for hexadecimal number 9, the input values is A is 1, B is 0, C is 0, and D is 1. So, ilagay na natin yung mga input niya. So, A sa 1, yung B sa 0, C is also 0, and lastly, yung D is 1. So, titingnan natin kung ano yung magiging output niya sa 7 segment decoders. So, makikita natin na number 9 ang output niya sa 7 segment decoders. So, that's all for hexadecimal number 9.
That's all for our video presentation. Again, I'm the leader of Group 4.
And I'm the leader of Group 8.
Thank you for watching our video presentation.